The shelves are stacked with donated tins and boxes as volunteers at this food bank prepare the parcels for those so far below the poverty line that going hungry is a frighteningly real prospect. People can't just turn up at a food bank. They first need a voucher issued by someone authorised to refer them, like a social worker or a health visitor. Patricia was referred by her GP after struggling to make ends meet on her fluctuating part-time wage.
I've actually gone very hungry. I've run out of things like electric. When your fridge, your freezer, your cupboards are bare, you haven't even got tea, coffee to drink, you've got nothing to eat in the house, you're living in darkness. And it's not very nice.
Between April and September, food banks gave supplies to more than 350,000 people, 3 times the demand during the same 6 months of last year. More than a third of those judged in need of emergency food were children. Experiencing a delay getting benefits was the biggest single reason why people were referred to a food bank.
Benefit changes and inefficiencies in the system are significantly causing the rise in food bank use. It's the single biggest reason for the increase this year has been inefficiencies in the benefit system, and that is something the government could address.
Today the government rejected the accusation its policies are fuelling food poverty, saying food banks continue a long tradition of charities working alongside state provision.
Food banks were set up in 2002 and they grew tenfold under Labour. So yes, you have seen that growth continuing. And I think that's how you view it, all of the great British public coming together to support people through a very tough time.
There are now almost 400 food banks in the UK, but it's estimated that number may need to more than double to cope with the growing demand from people facing the prospect of having to go hungry. Catherine Jones, 5 News.